The setting sun. Another day gone by. Thank you. Beautiful day of spring. And look at this tree. All our trees are coming one by one, and each is more beautiful than the other. So the pink ones are come and gone, most of them, but this is a very profusely flowered white tree. I don't know what they're called. They must be a form of magnolias as well. And the sun is almost setting. It's already gone down in the couple of seconds that I started this video. Goodbye, goodbye. Another day. We will wait for the birds are ready to sleep. They're chirping their final goodbyes.